Dear students, welcome back. Today in this class, I am going to tell you few questions based on factorization. This is for your revision for your subjective assessment 2. So, the first question of the day: 54 x square y square minus 6. 54 x square y square minus 6. Now, first of all, the first rule of factorization is that if there is anything common from all the terms, then you take common. So you can see from these two, we can take 6 common because 54 is 9 into 6. So 6 can be taken as common from both. So when you take 6 common, within brackets you will have 9x square y square minus 1. Although we have divided the given expression in two factors, one factor is 6 and the other factor is 9x square y square minus 1. But it is not factorized completely. So to factorize it completely, we have to do it further. See, 9 is 3 square, so it can be written as 3xy whole square, and that is 1 square because you know 1 square is nothing but 1 only. And now we are going to apply an identity, and the identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in the other bracket, like this: a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in the other bracket. So 6, and now in one bracket 3xy plus 1 and in the other bracket 3xy minus 1, and that is your answer: 3xy plus 1 and 3xy minus 1. Okay, so this is complete factorization of the given expression. Now the next question: 9x plus y whole square minus 16x minus y whole square. Now see, 9 is 3 square, you know that. So we can write it as 3 into x plus y whole square, like this, and minus, you know that 16 is 4 square. So you can write it as 4 into x minus y whole square. Now once again, we are going to apply the same identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this whole thing is a and this is b. So a square minus b square, a plus b in one bracket, a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in the other bracket. A minus b in the other bracket. Now if you open the bracket, it will be 3x plus 3y plus 4x minus 4y, and then 3x plus 3y minus 4x plus 4y, because you know when there is a negative sign outside the bracket, so when we open the bracket, the sign of all the terms inside the bracket change. Now finally the answer I will write here: 3x plus 4x is 7x, and 3y minus 4y will be minus y, and here 3y plus 4y 7y, and 3x minus 4x is minus x, and that is your answer. Okay, 7x minus y in one bracket and 7y minus x is in the other bracket, and that is your answer. Clear? Now we will do the next question. Now in the next question, we have to factorize x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square y square. You have to factorize this expression x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square y square. Okay, now this x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square, then y to the power 4 can be written as y square whole square. Okay, and plus, now there is x square y square, but what we do, we will write it as 2x square y square. Now here x square y square was once, but I have written twice, so I have to subtract once, so minus x square y square. Okay, x square whole square plus y square whole square plus 2x square y square and minus x square y square. 2 times x square y square minus 1 times x square y square will be equal to x square and y square. Now if you see, from in the first three terms we can apply the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Okay, in the first three terms, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. Okay, now what we do, we will write it as x square plus y square whole square minus x square y square. Okay, like this. Now x square plus y square whole square minus xy whole square. Now you see, we can again apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it will be equal to x square plus y square plus xy in one bracket and x square plus y square minus xy in the other bracket, and that is your answer. Okay, there are two factors. One factor is x square plus y square plus xy, and the other factor is x square plus y square minus xy. These are the two factors. Clear? Now the next question. Next question is x square minus 8x minus 33. X square minus 8x minus 33. Now it is a trinomial. This is a quadratic expression because the highest power of x is highest power of x is 2, so this is a quadratic expression. And now we have to factorize this expression. So we factorize these expressions by splitting the middle term. So now what we do, the constant term, you can see it is 33 and there is a negative sign in front of it. So you have to think of two numbers whose product is 33 and whose difference is 8. You know there are only two factors of 33, that is 11 and 3, and the difference is also 8. So we can write it as x square minus, in place of 8 you write down 11 minus 3, because you know that 11 minus 3 is 8. So just in place of 8 you write down 11 minus 3. Now when you open the bracket, x square minus 11x plus 3x minus 33. Now from the first two terms take x common, so x minus 11. Then from the next two terms take 3 common, so again x minus 11. Now always remember, while doing the method or applying the method by splitting the middle term, these two terms in the brackets must be the same. So now it is x minus 11 here and x minus 11 here, so we can take x minus 11 common. So when you take x minus 11 common, so in the other bracket you will have x plus 3, and that is your answer. Okay, that is the answer. Now next question. Now the question is 12x square square minus 29x plus 15. Now again it is a quadratic expression and it is a trinomial, so we are going to factorize it by splitting the middle term. Now there is a difference. In that example you see the coefficient of x square was 1, but here the coefficient of x square is 12. So what we do, first of all you multiply 12 and 15. When you multiply 12 and 15, you know it is 180. 12 into 15 will be 180. Now you have to think of two numbers whose product is 180 and whose sum is 29. As there is a positive sign over there, so their sum must be 29 and their product must be 180. So you have to think of two numbers whose product, when we multiply those two numbers, they must give us 180 and their sum must be 29. Now see, first you make the prime factors of 180. So now you can see already it is there 20 and 9. The numbers are 20 and 9 because the product of 20 and 9 is 180 and the sum of 20 and 9 is 29. So we will write 12x square minus, in place of 29 you write down 20 plus 9 like this. So 12x square minus 20x minus 9x plus 15. Now from the first two terms you can take 4x common. So when you take 4x common, it is 3x minus 5. And from these two terms you take minus 3 common. So it will be 3x minus 5. Once again you can see the terms in the bracket are same. So this is 3x minus 5 and this is also 3x minus 5. So you take 3x minus 5 common When you take 3x minus 5 common, then in the other bracket you will have 4x minus 3, and that is your answer. 3x minus 5 into 4x minus 3 is your answer. Next question. Thirty-six x square plus 12 xyz minus 15 y square z square. 36x square plus 12 xyz minus 15 y square z square. Now first of all, as I told you, if there is something common in all the terms, so first of all we will take that term common. So you can see 3 is common to all the terms. So first of all you take 3 common. When you take 3 common, then it will be 12x square plus 4xyz minus 5 y square z square. Now the term within the bracket, it is again a trinomial, so we will try to factorize it by splitting the middle term. So first of all, 12 into 5, you know 12 into 5 is 60. There is a negative sign over there, so you have to think of two numbers. When they are multiplied, they give you 60. And their difference, as there is a negative sign, so their difference must be 4. So now the numbers are 10 and 6, because 10 into 6 is 60 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So simply in place of 4 you write down 10 minus 6. Only in place of 4 you write down 10 minus 6 and xyz minus 5 y square z square, like this. Now you open that bracket, 12x square plus 10xyz minus 6xyz minus 5y square z square. Okay? Now 3. Now see, from the first two terms, 2x can be taken as common. From the first two terms, 2x can be taken as common from these two. So you take 2x common. Okay, now it is 6x plus 5yz. Okay, you see, from 12x square, if you have taken 2x common, so 12 is 6 into 2. 2 I have taken common, so 6 is left. X square means x into x, so I have taken 1x common, so 1x is left. Plus 10 is 5 into 2, I have taken 2 common, so 5 is there, x I have taken common, so y is there. Clear? Now from these two terms, you can take minus yz common. When you take minus yz common, so within bracket it will be 6x plus 5yz. Okay, like this. Now as I have taken minus sign common, so both the terms become positive inside the bracket, and I have taken yz common, so here only 6x is left and there only 5yz is left. And the main thing, if you see both the brackets, they are identical, they are same. That is the check whether you are doing the questions correct or not. Is within the bracket the terms must be same. Now from these two take 6x plus 5yz common. So in the other bracket you will have 2x minus yz. 2x minus yz. and that is your answer. There are three factors in this expression. One factor is 3, the other factor is 6x plus 5yz, and the third factor is 2x minus 5z. Okay, so in the next class we will continue with the revision of another topic. Okay.